Council is smack in the middle of performance oversight hearings right now, which is the public's opportunity to come talk to the council about issues they're having with different agencies, and for those agencies to answer tough questions from the council. And those things get combined in the form of hearings where we hear from the public, then we take their questions and our own, and we talk to our government witnesses about it. This week, I held a hearing on the Department of Public Works with just our public witnesses because actually the DPW team was out responding to the snow emergency, but we heard a lot of great testimony and actually unsurprising testimony about issues that I've heard a lot about over the past couple of years with trash collection, bulk pickup, illegal dumping, and just overall maintenance that falls within the realm of DPW. And it was very important to hear that public testimony. In a couple weeks, we will bring the government agency back to testify, and I will bring my tough questions then so we can get to the heart of some of these things. But of course, you know that I do oversight all year round. We passed a couple bills at the end of last year to strengthen DPW's enforcement authority, both with trash and with parking enforcement. And I am excited about how all these things are coming together, especially as we are about to segue next into budget oversight hearing. The Contract Appeals Board hearing was very simple. There were no public witnesses. It's a very small and nimble agency, and I was excited to hear about the tech upgrades they've been doing to make more information available to the public. That's really good open government. In the second of our 3 hearings this week, I brought in the Office of Human Rights, the Commission on Human Rights, and the Contract Appeals Board. The Office of Human Rights is an incredibly important agency because it's our civil justice agency. This is where people go to file complaints about, as you guessed, their human rights, both rights violated by the district government or by private entities. This is an agency that has been undergoing a lot of change lately. There's a new director, there are a lot of vacancies, and unfortunately there's a very large case backlog. And so we talked today about the way the new director is going to be updating all of the systems of intake and triage just to make sure that justice can be served more swiftly for the residents and businesses of the District of Columbia.